Good morning. So today I'll be teaching you how to pick short hair. Okay, so focus on the hand placement. Focus on how I place my hand. To pick short hair, your hand should firmly hold your hair like this. Also show you the video of how to pick normal hair, long hair. For this now, if you want to grip the short hair, this hand placement is a must use. See how I'm holding the hair? And now this is the normal hand placement for long hair. You see, it's different. If you use this normal hand now, you cannot pick a short hair. If you use this hand, you can't pick the short hair. Okay, I'm gonna repeat the short hand, so you should watch very well how I do it. See, totally different from the normal hand. And one funny thing about this hand is that it can give you those stitches or those cornrow stitches you want. Right, so thank you for watching. Oh, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Sorry for the video quality.